This ship has deck lashing throughout the ship. The ship has single pull cones which are a little dry. The lashing pattern is A, B internal lashing. The wing lashing pattern is AB with a diagonal C-bar and vertical C-bar. The turnbuckles are heavy, so we work together, which seems to make this type of lashing much easier. The lasher on the walkway can help the lasher on the lid by pinning or unpinning buckles. This is one of two types of vertical C-bars that are used on this ship. This long C-bar must be twisted into the pocket. Some buckles are stiff. You can use your tightening bar to help with turning the buckle, or use WD-40. Be safe, work smarter not harder.